Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a haul from a couple different places. So first I have the Not2Shabby shop, and the reason why I really first intended to buy something here was I really wanted the LDRS, the Little Darlings, Little Darling Rubber Stamp Creative, I think it is, but they sell the Polka Doodles stamps, and I really wanted this Polka Doodles paper. And the sad part is I don't know if I'm actually going to have time to really, use this paper because I feel like the season is kind of, for creating is kind of at the end, but I'm okay if I don't get to use too much of it. And the way their paper packs work is there are loose sheets in here, but I just really love the colors. I love that it's a little bit unique than anything I have and anything you could buy. So I kind of got it for that reason. And then I really wanted this Holly Jolly Holidays. Not that I don't have tons and tons of paper, because I do, but I just love the bright, cheerful colors in this particular paper pad. I really love the candy canes. I love this heart paper that you could also use year round. I like the fact that it's not overly Christmassy, but still Christmassy. If that makes sense. I think it's really cute. I love the brightness of it. So I really wanted that. And she had a special going on. Geez, I'm trying to remember what it was. If you bought one of her stamps, which is this is the one that I bought. This one is called Sweet Surprise. Then you got one of these she'd throw a jelly clip in your order for free. So I did that, and then I bought a couple more Doodle Pops because I just love them, and I think that they're going to be really fun to make some really quick cards. So I did get that from the Not2Shabby shop, and then I bought something from Peachy cheap. Now, I don't know if it's necessarily a great deal. It's not a bad deal, I should say, because these are selling for full price on my Mind's Eyes website, and this is their newer collection. It's more like a spring collection, but I don't know, I just really liked the colors of it. So the Peachy cheap deal, I want to say it was $7.99, but shipping or whatever, I think it was like $12 or $13 shipped, which isn't terrible. So I did get this. It comes with a sticker sheet. I got the cards, and it also came with the die cuts, and there's a lot of die cuts, and I don't know, I just really liked the colors, so I splurged, went ahead and got that. And then my order and I have another order from Tupelo LLC, and that particular order, I was debating whether I was going to use this collection I have to show you or the collection that's coming for my December daily. And I think I'm going to use the collection that's coming for my December daily. And this one, I'm just going to make a scrapbook album, I'm thinking. But first, let me show you the Halloween collection. This is the one that I was waiting to use. This one's called Bewitched. I'm just going to save it for next year. I'm going to use this for my my October daily next year, most likely. I love this collection. It has these like Halloween roses and these cute pumpkins. I love like the witch is super cute. I absolutely cannot tell you how much I love this collection. So I had to have it. And I really do love the collection that I'm using. It's just a very different like color palette. And I'm happy that I did find this one in my stash, and I'm using that one up because it's older. But I had to have this. It's super cute. It's Echo Park. I love it. So I did get that. And then I also got this Santa's Workshop. This is the one that I'm not going to use for my December daily, I think, as of today. I'm pretty sure that I'm just going to make a photo album with this, or a mini album with this. I just really love this. I had to get it. I don't know if my album is here that I did last year. So this is the one that I did last year, and it has a similar retro feel to it. And this is the one, I didn't put pictures in this one because I suck. But yeah, I did make this album, and I actually still need to put pictures in it, which is just shameful. But this is the one that I made last year using a very similar collection. Kind of a retro feel collection. So I did get that, which I just adore. Let's see, Tupelo Designs. I've got the rest of my stuff. Oh, one of my things was discontinued. two of my things was discontinued, so I didn't even get them, and that was the main reason why I bought from them, so that kind of stinks. Anyway, whatever. So let me show you the rest of my order. And I did get the 6x6 of the Santa's Workshop, and this is a Cartabella. And then I did get the So Much Fun. And my favorite out of all of the So Much Fun pens that they have here is I really love the space one. I just love the colors. So I went ahead and got the washi for that. I don't usually buy washi, but only if it's spectacular. And they threw in these coloring stickers, which is, you know, that's cool, but I wish I would have gotten the stamps I ordered. So anyway, that is my order. And, you know, it took a really long time to get here because I want to say that I ordered this the first week of September, which is why I thought I was going to get it in time to work on my October daily. But it's not like I won't use it. I'm not mad at that. I'm kind of mad though that my stamps were discontinued and they were on their website, but whatever. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.